Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll show you how to turn on Ultra Game Mode in Vivo phones with all the settings. Before moving further, like this video, click on subscribe button and you have to click on the notification icon. Click on all so you will get the notifications for all the upcoming videos. These settings are only available in Vivo phone. If you have Vivo phone, you can turn on Ultra Gaming Mode and you can play PUBG Mobile or any other game same like you are in iPhone. For this one, you have to swipe downward and then you have to go towards right. Here you will find option Ultra Game Mode. You have to turn it on and then you have to swipe upward. Once you will turn on Ultra Game Mode, then you have to go to your Vivo phone settings and then you have to scroll down. Here you will see Ultra Game Mode. Click on it. So first of all, you have to add any game, PUBG or any other game. Click on add, which you can see in the bottom right side. Now you have to select your games, PUBG Mobile or any other game. You can select all the games. So here is PUBG, will enable it and then you will see the PUBG Mobile icon. It will be here in my games. Now here you will see first option game sidebar. If you will enable this one, it will show you the PUBG game or any other game that you will select here in Ultra Game Mode. It will show you in sidebar. You have to enable it. Scroll down. Next is enhance experience. You have to enable it. Next option is sound quality and sound effects. Click on it. Here you will find two options, game surround sound. Click on it and you have to select wide mode. Go back. Next option, ear customize sound effects. Click on it. You have to enable this one and you can customize earphone sound according to your age. Next option is do not disturb. If you don't want to receive any voice call or any SMS or other social media notification while playing the game, you have to enable this feature. Next option is screen mistouch prevention. Here you will find two options, shrink notification, enable it. Next option is disable 3-finger screen capture. Go back. Last option, game picture in picture. You can use two applications at a time. You can play PUBG game also. You can use WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, both applications together at same time. So in the same way, you can also turn on Ultra Game Mode in Vivo mobiles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.